Hi kids. How are you all? Let's learn names of professions. Doctor. A doctor helps sick people get better. Nurse. A nurse takes care of patients. Police officer. Police officers help enforce laws and keep people safe. Firefighter. A firefighter puts out fires and help people during emergencies. Chef. A chef cooks delicious meals. Farmer. A farmer grows crops and raises animals. Dentist. A dentist takes care of teeth and help keep our mouths healthy. Pilot. A pilot flies airplanes. Flight attendant. A flight attendant helps passengers on airplanes. Engineer. An engineer designs and builds things. Scientist. Scientists do experiments to learn new things. Astronaut. An astronaut travels into space and explores it. Construction worker. A construction worker helps build houses and buildings. Carpenter. A carpenter makes and repairs wooden items. Electrician. An electrician installs and fixes electrical systems. Plumber. A plumber repairs pipes and water systems. Mechanic. Mechanic repairs vehicles and machines. Artist. An artist creates paintings and drawings. Musician. A musician plays musical instruments and entertain people with music. Singer. A singer performs songs. They use their voices to entertain audiences. Photographer. A photographer takes pictures. Librarian. A librarian helps people find books. They work in libraries. Shopkeeper. A shopkeeper sells products to customers. Journalist. A journalist reports news and events. Computer programmer. A computer programmer writes code for computer. They create apps and software. Architect. An architect designs buildings. Security guard. A security guard protects people and property. Fisherman. A fisherman catches fish from rivers, lakes, or seas. Gardener. A gardener grows and cares for plants and keep gardens beautiful. Cashier. A cashier collects payments from customers. They work in stores and supermarkets. Teacher. A teacher helps students learn new things. So kids, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. See you again.